Hello all. I would like to welcome you all to Impression Specialty Dental Care Center. It is a dental specialty clinic situated in Shahu Nagar, Chinchwad, Pune. Impression Dental Care is a modern multi-specialty clinic which was established in 2004. We have treated over 10,000 satisfied patients. We are equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and modern dental technology. This clinic is also ISO certified. This clinic is headed by Dr. Pradeep Shetty, who is a root canal specialist and has done his PhD in dentistry. He is also a professor at Dr. D.Y. Patil Dental College and teaches various budding dentists and is also an opinion leader for various multinational companies. He has a vast clinical experience of over 18 years. Impression Specialty Dental Care has a team of stalwart consultants in various faculties and experienced associate dental surgeons.
Hi, I am Dr. Pradeep Shetty. Would like to take you all through the small overview of my clinical protocol during this pandemic. We reopened our clinic since April last week. We have treated a few hundreds of patients during this pandemic. So our patients were very happy, and we treated needy patients who were in pain and discomfort during this past few months. So our patient safety and my team safety is our primary concern. For that reason, we follow these protocols very religiously, and through this video, I would like to give you a glimpse of protocols we follow in our clinic, and also share some valuable feedbacks given by my satisfied patients through this video. Kindly see this video and share your feedback to me.
The purpose of this video is to give you a glimpse of the extensive protocol that we are following in the face of the current COVID-19 pandemic to ensure patient safety and good health. While giving an appointment, patients are asked telephonically about their health and presence of any flu or COVID-like symptoms, as well as their residing area and the COVID situation in that area. After this preliminary check, the patients are given an appointment by making an entry in the software, and a digital consent form is sent to the patient. Unnecessary crowding in the waiting room is avoided by providing spaced out appointments. Patients are asked to call the clinic once they reach the clinic premises. They are asked to wait in the car or lobby and are called once their appointment is up. After the patient enters the clinic, they are asked to sanitize their hands, and their temperature is noted with a non-contact digital thermometer. We also assess their oxygen saturation with a pulse oximeter. The patient is then made to sit in a disinfected waiting room following social distancing norms and provided with a disposable head cap and gloves. Meanwhile, in the procedure room, the doctors and their teams are all ready with a sterile personalized protection equipment. All working surfaces are disinfected as per COVID-19 protocol prior to each clinical session. The dental chair is covered with disposable wrapping film at all contact surfaces. All instruments are autoclaved prior to the patient's appointment. During the treatment process, the patient is first assessed by a dental associate and the treatment plan is drawn. The treatment is then started and aerosol producing procedures are carried out using wax station, which is an extraoral vacuum suction device for removal of aerosols produced while using dental devices like aerotor and ultrasonic scalers. Once the treatment is over, the disposable wraps are changed after each and every patient, and the chair as well as all other contact surfaces are thoroughly disinfected and sanitized using surface and environmental disinfectant solution with a fogging machine. The floor is also cleaned using sodium hypochlorite. We also accept digital payments like debit and credit cards, scan and pay with strict sanitization control. At the end of the working session, all the used instruments are soaked and cleaned thoroughly, followed by sterilization in an ultrasonic cleanser, and then autoclaved and are further stored in a UV light storage cabinet. We also use an in-house water distiller for the water inlet and the autoclave. We also have an industry-best air purifier with the latest HEPA 14 filter. The operatory area is disinfected using a UV sterilizer after each session. We also have a UV disinfection box which is used to sanitize all the non-autoclavable items. Charts explaining about patient safety and self-care are displayed in the waiting area. Here are a few feedbacks given by our patients.
Hi, I'm Samadhya. So my mom got her root canal done from Dr. Pradeep Shetty sir in the month of June. So I was a bit skeptical about going to a dental clinic myself. But yeah, so we took a decision, and sir also kept her appointments like early morning, like the first appointments, and it was done so carefully with all the safety measures. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Narendra, and I'm making this video to share my experience with Impression Clinic Care, Dental Clinic Care, and Dr. Pradeep Shetty. In the last couple of months, my wife and my kid had some tooth issues. They had to undergo wisdom tooth extraction and root canal treatment. But it was COVID situation and the lockdown was there. So I called Dr. Pradeep Shetty and told him that we need an appointment. And he gave us an appointment, and we went to the clinic. To our surprise, the clinic was very well sanitized. All the precautionary measures were taken. The temperatures were noted down. The doctor was wearing PPE kit, and all his assistants were also wearing the protective gear like masks, gloves, and face shields. Between two appointments, the space and the equipment was thoroughly sanitized. Okay, so overall, it was a safe experience.
Hello, Dr. Shetty. You're the best. Thank you for the excellent dental care you have always given me, but especially so during the COVID-19 lockdown, a most challenging time. I would also like to appreciate your team who tirelessly dedicated themselves to serving people with pain during these difficult times. My entire treatment was done with extreme care, taking all the precautions to avoid contact, very little waiting time, and best methods of sanitization before getting into the chair. Your professional expertise, integrity, compassionate concern for the person on the other end of the drill are most appreciated. Thank you for giving me back my impression. Good luck.
I am Eva Bhatia. I am 6 years old. I would like to thank Dr. Pradeep Uncle for my root canal treatment. Full safety was taken for Corona. Sanitization gloves, safe instruments was used. Now I am pain-free. Thank you, Dr. Pradeep Uncle.
हॅलो नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, माझे नाव विजय श्यामकांत ठाकरे आहे. राहतो काही दिवसापूर्वी माझा एक दात फार दुखत होता, म्हणून मी माझ्या आजूबाजूच्या लोकांना विचारले, मुलाला विचारले. मग त्यांनी सांगितलं की डॉक्टर प्रदीप शेट्टी म्हणून आपल्या इथं जवळच त्यांचे क्लिनिक आहे, तिथे तुम्ही जावा. त्याप्रमाणे मी मुलाच्या सल्ल्याप्रमाणे डॉक्टर साहेबांकडे गेलो. त्यांनी मला चेकअप केलं व्यवस्थित आणि मला ट्रीटमेंट घ्यायला सांगितली. अगदी रिजनेबल रेटमध्ये त्यांनी माझी दाताची ट्रीटमेंट केली. पहिले त्यांनी रूट कॅनलसाठी मला 2-3 आठवडे यायला सांगितलं. रेग्युलर त्यांनी मला चेकअप केलं. त्यांच्या स्टाफने पण मला फार मदत केली. बिलकुल माझ्या ट्रीटमेंटच्या वेळेस मला बिलकुल त्रास झाला नाही. तर माझे दातावर सर्जरी करत होते ती उत्तम प्रकारे झाली. त्यामुळे मी त्यांच्या स्टाफचा पण फार आभारी आहे. डॉक्टर साहेबांचा तर आहेच आहे आभारी. आणि भविष्यामध्ये मी त्यांना शुभकामना देतो की त्यांचा बिझनेस अधिकाधिक वाढेल. त्यांच्या स्टाफला आशीर्वादित करो. डॉक्टर साहेब, त्यांची फॅमिली, सर्वांना परमेश्वर आशीर्वादित केला. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
मेरा नाम अकरम खान है. रिसेंटली मैंने डॉक्टर शेट्टी से इम्प्रेशन क्लिनिक विज़िट किया था पेंडेमिक के टाइम में. मेरा दांत का इम्प्लांट का काम था, तो मेरे अंदर पहले डर था कि वहाँ पे क्या कैसा सिचुएशन रहेगा, वुड इट बी सेफ टू गो एंड विज़िट टू ए डेंटिस्ट. लेकिन डॉक्टर शेट्टी के यहाँ पे जाने के बाद में इन्होंने पूरा प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो किया है. उन्होंने टेम्परेचर पहले चेक करके हैंड ग्लोव्स और बाकी ये लोग जो पूरा सैनिटाइजेशन का काम करते हैं आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी पेशेंट, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. इट वाज सेफ. इनफैक्ट इन्होंने पेशेंट्स के भी टाइमिंग सेपरेट कर रखे हैं और डॉक्टर साहब का काम तो काफ़ी अच्छा है ही. आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर हिज फ्यूचर. थैंक यू.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सचिन है. जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, अभी जो कोविड पैंडमिक का सिचुएशन सब चल रहा है, तो इसके दौरान सर ने अपने डॉक्टर शेट्टी सर ने अपने क्लिनिक को चालू रखते हुए सारे पेशेंट्स को जो केयर दिया है, सारे पेशेंट्स के दांतों को जो रिलीफ दिया है, उसके लिए मैं सर के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ सर. और मैं एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. जो मेरे भाई की बेटी थी 6 साल की, उसको काफ़ी दांतों में दर्द था. मतलब कि उसको वो खा भी नहीं पा रही थी, उसके लिए पीना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में मैंने सर से कांटेक्ट लेके, सर से अपॉइंटमेंट लेके उसका ट्रीटमेंट कराया है. अभी वो काफ़ी बेटर फील महसूस कर रही है. उसका दांतों का दर्द भी बिल्कुल ख़त्म कर दिया सर ने. और सर का मैं स्पेशली बोलूँगा तो सर का ट्रीटमेंट करने का जो तरीका है, काफ़ी हल्के हाथों से, जैसे कि पेशेंट्स को पेन भी महसूस नहीं होगा. तो इसके लिए मैं सर को और सर के सारे टीम मेंबर्स को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. और थैंक्स टू इम्प्रेशन डेंटल केयर और थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं परिणीता हूँ. मेरे दांतों में दर्द हो रहा था, शेट्टी डॉक्टर ने अच्छा कर दिया. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू शेट्टी डॉक्टर.
Team Impression is committed to provide you with the best dental treatment with utmost care and compassion. Your safety is our primary concern. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share this video with your friends and family.